We will try this one. Ali Gigi. Yay! We will try first the Star Wars. Hi, I'm with Gigi. It will be fun. Allez, on y va. Let's go, baby. This is the famous ride here. We have to try the Star Wars, and later I will tell you guys what is our experience. I'm just so excited. Gigi Kuku. When we get here in Disneyland, I really want to try this one first. So yeah, this is a chance for us, for me and Judy, because my son is with his father. We try the Space Mountain. No, we will try the Star Wars. Hey! Okay, so there's a queue and I don't know how many minutes we will wait, but we came early. Still have many wait inside. So it's the favorite of all. So even we arrive like 8:30, there's a lot of people waiting for this ride.
Joli jouet Ewok. Certains enfants reçoivent vraiment de beaux cadeaux.
Allez, encore un. Merci. Allez. Bonjour. Oui.
Manger 5, like 5.
Merci.
Il était temps. Le motivateur bien a fait les siennes. Le leader est comme une seconde langue pour moi. Mais malheureusement.
Oui. Gigi, est-ce que c'est bien? Oui. Oui. It's a great experience.
Il est papa là.
Attends, on cherche. It's like we are in the other world, in the other planet, you know, like, and we are fighting with other spaceships. Oh, that was very, very good.